The Sony Xperia VII Mark VII is shaping up to be one of the most powerful flagship smartphones of the year, continuing Sony's tradition of innovation in camera technology, display quality, and multimedia performance. With each generation, Sony refines its premium Xperia lineup, and the Xperia VII promises to push boundaries even further. In this video, we'll dive deep into design changes, camera upgrades, performance improvements, gaming enhancements, battery life, software features, and overall value. Sony has always maintained a unique design philosophy with its Xperia lineup, and the Xperia VII is no exception. This time, we see refined aesthetics, thinner bezels, and improved ergonomics. 6.5-inch 4K HDR OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth visuals. Brighter panel with higher peak brightness, making outdoor visibility much better. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 3 for superior durability. 21:9 aspect ratio for an immersive cinematic experience. Slimmer and lighter compared to its predecessor, making one-handed use easier. IP68 water and dust resistance for durability in extreme conditions. With Sony's Bravia X1 mobile engine, the Xperia VII enhances HDR content, color accuracy, and motion clarity, making it one of the best displays in the industry. If you consume a lot of high-resolution content, this smartphone is a dream come true. Camera system. Redefining mobile photography. The Xperia lineup is synonymous with professional-grade mobile photography, and the Xperia VII takes it a step further with major upgrades. Triple-lens Zeiss optics with real-time tracking autofocus. New variable focal-length periscope telephoto lens for up to 6x optical zoom, without loss of detail. 12MP primary sensor with advanced computational photography. 48MP ultra-wide sensor with AI distortion correction. Improved night mode powered by AI noise reduction. Pro video mode with 4K 120 frames per second slow-motion recording. IAF and object tracking for pinpoint accuracy in capturing subjects. For creators, filmmakers, and professional photographers, the Xperia VII offers an unmatched manual control experience. Sony's Cine Alta-powered Cinematic Pro mode ensures that content creators get DSLR-like control over video settings. Performance and Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, a powerhouse. Under the hood, the Xperia VII is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, which is built for AI-driven performance and power efficiency. 4nm architecture for faster processing and lower power consumption. 12GB per 16GB LPDDR5X RAM for seamless multitasking. UFS 4.0 storage options, 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB. Improved cooling system to prevent overheating during prolonged gaming or video recording sessions. AI-driven optimizations for enhanced app performance. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or running heavy apps like Adobe Lightroom, the Xperia VII provides a lag-free and fluid experience. Gaming and audio, a true multimedia beast. Sony has always catered to gamers and multimedia enthusiasts, and the Xperia VII continues this legacy with several improvements. 240Hz touch sampling rate for ultra-responsive gaming. Game Enhancer mode with AI-driven frame rate boost. Snapdragon Elite gaming features for improved performance and lower latency. 3.5mm headphone jack with high-fidelity audio support. Enhanced stereo speakers with 360 reality audio and Dolby Atmos. PS5 remote play optimization for console-like gaming on mobile. If you're a competitive gamer or someone who enjoys high-end mobile gaming, the Xperia VII ensures that you get the best possible experience. Battery life and charging, power that lasts. One of the key improvements in the Xperia VII is its battery optimization and charging technology. 5,000 mAh battery with Sony's adaptive charging to prolong battery lifespan. 45W fast wired charging, up to 50% charge in just 30 minutes. Wireless charging and reverse wireless charging support. New AI-driven battery management system to reduce degradation over time. Sony has focused on sustained battery health, ensuring that the Xperia VII remains reliable for years to come. Software and exclusive features. Running on Android 14 with Sony's lightweight UI, the Xperia VII offers a bloat-free, stock-like experience. Exclusive Xperia UI enhancements for productivity. Enhanced multitasking features with split screen and floating windows. New AI voice assistant for context-aware smart actions. Seamless integration with Sony Alpha cameras for remote control and instant file transfers. Long-term software support with at least 4 years of updates. Price, availability, and should you buy it? The Xperia VII is expected to launch at a premium price point, likely around $1,299 to $1,499, making it a direct competitor to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, iPhone 16 Pro Max, and Google Pixel 9 Pro. Pre-orders begin in Q3 2024, with a global release shortly after. Multiple color options including frosted black, glacier blue, and pearl white. Exclusive Sony bundle offers with earbuds and PlayStation perks. Final verdict. So, is the Sony Xperia VII worth it? If you want a smartphone that excels in camera performance, gaming, display quality, and multimedia experience, the Xperia VII is a top-tier contender. Sony continues to cater to niche audiences, making Xperia devices perfect for creators, professionals, and tech enthusiasts. However, for those looking for a budget-friendly flagship, alternatives like the Galaxy S25 or OnePlus 12 Pro might be worth considering. What are your thoughts on the Sony Xperia VII? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content.